these lines are representing the strings. See that there are 6 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines.
Welcome to this our foundational class.
On naming the keys on the guitar, how do we know which key is which key? And this knowledge is a foundational knowledge to soloing, to understanding the key, the chords and everything, the keys and everything. So let's dive into action. To make it easier, so that you can always have a point of reference, we'll be drawing this part of the guitar on our exercise books, so that once we look at the exercise book, we can always, since we cannot write the keys here, we'll have the diagram on our exercise books and we'll follow from there. So this will be our lesson 16. So we are going to use this space and draw out this keyboard. Yes, the keyboard of the guitar. So we'll come here, you draw it neatly on your exercise book for reference. So you must not be an artist to do. Everybody is an artist in his own way or her own way, but we'll simply do a simple sketch that we can follow. So this is 1, so we need 6 of them. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we need 6. You will see that on the string, we have the string here, but we have these metals that are crossing. They are called the frets. So we are going to draw the metals too, the frets. Now here, you see that here it is thicker. So we'll still make here thicker, bit thicker. We need enough space. Okay. So we'll make this part thicker than other parts. Okay. See, it's thicker. So this part now is what we have drawn here. So let's draw together. Let's draw together. We're together. Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So this guitar has 24 frets, whereas this guitar has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So while this has 20 frets, this one has got 24 frets. Even on the keyboard, the piano, we have some pianos that have more octaves than others. So it does not mean the guitar is bad or it is no. So when you are buying your guitar, please count the frets. The longer they are, the better, but it does not mean it is better than the other guitar. They are just different. So now we will go into drawing of our fret. Drawing of our fret. Okay. Okay. If you can see, the frets are tinier than the bar there at the head. Okay. Okay. So we have fret. Since we still have some space, let's just add more fret here. Okay. We have this. So let's count how many frets we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18 frets. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, now, when the guitar, so we start from here. This key, this string is representing this string. When it is not touched, with men it is free. When it is not touched, that key, the sound it gives is of E. When it is not touched, it is E. The next one, when it is not touched, it is A. So even if it is not touched, it's already a key. Then the next one, if it is not touched, it is D. The fourth, the next, if it is not touched, it is G. The next one, if it's not touched, is B. And then the last, if it is not touched, it is E. So we have lower E and upper E. So this is string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5, string 6. If string 1 is not touched, is E. If string 2 is not touched, is B. String 3 not touched is G. String 4 not touched is D. String 5 not touched is A. And string 6 not touched is E. So that's where we are as far as here. All right. So how do we go about naming other parts? Now let's demonstrate this. Listen to the sound. If it is not touched, it's E, as we said. But once you press here, you see the sound is different. The sound is different. You see? It's changing. Okay, let's experiment with the second. If it's not touched, it's A. But if it is touched, it is. You see the sound? So each of these space is a different key. Each is a different key. See? You see, it keeps getting higher. See? It is these differences that gives them the music. So just touch your guitar and feel the differences. You see? So these differences come because of the fret. They are able to direct you. So now, when E is, when this string is not touched, is E. But when you touch the next one, between E and F, no, now let's demonstrate with, let's leave this, let's go to this second one. We'll come back. We are not going to do this E and B for now. Let's do this three. We are leaving this because of a special explanation. Let's start with A. Okay, this is A when it is touched. And once you touch here,
Please do not forget to click the subscribe button and write your comments. Thank you.
once you touch here now, it becomes A sharp. This is D once it is not touched. But once it is touched, it becomes D sharp. This is G if it is not touched. But once you touch it, it becomes G sharp. So this is A sharp, B sharp, D sharp, G sharp. Okay. Now, why did we leave these ones? From E to F is a half tone. So from E, you don't say E sharp, you go direct to F. And from B, you don't say B sharp, you go direct to C. And from E, as we said, you don't say E sharp, you go direct to F. That's why I left the 3 to now. So from F, you have now, this one becomes F sharp. From A sharp, this becomes D. From D sharp, after D, you have, after D is E. From G sharp, after G is A. And after C is C sharp. And after F is F sharp.
Do click the subscribe button and share your comments. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.